This Sougayilang Fishing Rod Combo in the 2.1-meter length combines a compact telescopic design with a smooth spinning reel, making it ideal for anglers who want an easy travel setup. The rod uses a blend of carbon fiber and fiberglass with ceramic line guides, giving it a strong yet responsive feel that handles repeated casts without feeling heavy in the hand. Its spinning reel features a high ball bearing count and a solid gear ratio, so line pickup feels smooth and confident when working lures or fighting fish. The interchangeable handle and lightweight metal spool add versatility and balance, allowing both right-handed and left-handed anglers to fish comfortably for long sessions. Included lures, line, small tackle pieces, and a dedicated carry bag turn this into a ready-to-fish kit that is especially convenient for beginners or as a grab-and-go backup setup. The overall package is light enough to stash in a car trunk or backpack, making it a practical choice for both freshwater and saltwater trips where portability really matters.